I'm just telling you, let's start the session now. Then it will be very late. So I will take black color. Okay. I'm taking black color and little bit of brown color. Okay. I'm just dipping black color and taking brown color. Can you see? Two colors are there in my brush.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then simply we have to make.
Ma'am, I don't have brown color.
You can take only black color. If you don't have black color, you can take only brown color. We are making simple design.
Can we use plastic bottle?
Yes, you can use any bottle. I'm making random branches like this. Yes, it will look nice. I will tell you how to decorate it. Since it's not looking that much good, but when we will make it, it will going to look nice. So see how I make it. I can't put it down because it's wet now. Let color dry, then I will put it. And always remember, put newspaper whenever you do coloring. Always put newspaper so that your floor doesn't get messy. Okay.
Ma'am, can we use golden color? I have it.
You can use golden color also.
Ma'am, which color are you using for flowers?
I'm using pink, magenta, and white. Then I just tell you so that you guys have finished, then can start making flower. It's very simple to make flower. Okay, you don't have to be so much particular about shape. Okay. So what I will do, I'm taking one brush. Okay.
Brush.
Yeah, in that I will take pink.
Ma'am, instead of pink, can I use red?
Yeah, you can use red also. First, see how I'm making flowers. I'm using one direction like this, another like this, and another like this. I have uses like this, one like this, another like this, and another like this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I take pink and dark green.
Pink and dark green is not a combination. You have to take one different pink and you can't combine pink and dark green. You combine pink and pink and white, or pink with dark blue, pink with purple. You can't combine.
Ma'am, I take yellow and dark green.
Yes, you can take yellow and dark green.
Ma'am, can I take red and yellow?
Yes, you can take red and yellow.
Ma'am, can I take this blue and this blue?
Which blue? Show me. One is light and another should be dark.
This one.
Yeah, you can combine. You have white also?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, you can combine white also in that. It will look nice.
Ma'am, what to do with darker color? I have applied lighter color. Now where to apply the darker one?
You have to take 3 colors in one go. Okay. I will explain you again how you have to take. Okay.
Ma'am, it is okay.
Yes. Like this. See, I have used yellow also. Who are using yellow, I have used yellow. See, I'm making flower all over like this.
Orange, no? Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this way. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have only one number brush.
You can use that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is magenta and gold okay?
Which color?
Ma'am, magenta and gold.
Magenta and gold. Yeah, they are fine.
Ma'am,
See, I can show you over here.
fine.
Can you see?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Can you see mine? One dark and lighter.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see mine?
Yes, it's fine. Randomly, you have to make flowers.
Ma'am, I'm done with flowers.
Okay, then you have to make small dots in between them. Like this. Yeah. I just tell you what you can put in bottles. See. Can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Wait, I just switching off my light.
Ma'am, I'm putting flowers.
Wait, I'm just switching off my light so that you can see lights. Can you see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can. Yeah, you can write happy birthday. See, it's look really nice.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna put flowers in it.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
make dot?
Yes, you can make dots. See.
On flowers?
Yeah, you can put this LED. It's LED light, so you can buy it online and you can put in that.
Ma'am, can you tell me how to put candles?
Sorry, one at a time. I can't hear.
Ma'am, can you repeat how to put LED lights?
Yeah, these are available online, so you can buy it. Okay.
Ma'am, can I make dot in flower?
Yeah, you can make that. See. So this is the only one way. There are so different ways. You can see I've make around 20-50 bottles, different variations, where I've painted birds also. I've painted with coffee. I've painted with newspaper. You can use newspaper also. So there are so many ways. So you can see that. If you want, you can see on my Facebook page also, Instagram. Okay. So you can learn different ways also over there.
Ma'am, is this okay or I have to do more flowers?
No, these are fine.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have no have candle.
Yes. See how this bottle will look. Can you see this? With
Yes,
flowers and branches. If you put LED, it will look like this.
Can you put candle in that bottle?
You can't put candle in bottle because the hole is very small. See, you can make with newspaper also. I just show you. You can learn. There are so many. See, I make it with newspaper. Okay, with tissue paper also.
is this okay? Ma'am, I no have candle.
So you can put LED later.
Okay.
With texture also, you can use texture in bottle. See, I make one city life.
Okay, bye. Ma'am, can you find Saucha?
Yes. Okay, so there are so many different ways you can decorate your bottles. Okay, you can use different textures. Yeah, it's nice, Tisha.
Ma'am, is this nice, ma'am? Ma'am.
Wait. Yeah, show me now. Yeah, it's looking lovely. Nice. You can put candle in that because it's a jar.
Ma'am, it's beautiful. Ma'am,
Yes.